as going off into the world and learning all these things.
Now we are doing a deer hide. Sorry.
But you'll know for sure nothing's going to be living in it afterwards.
No. I got buckle cuts and grieve cuts from my armor from Sunday. They haven't healed up. I'm feeling them.
Oh.
Yeah, it just burns, you know. Just as bad as isopropyl. I can't say that word. Alcohol. Isopropyl, thank you.
Such a lovely color.
With some strain?
A little bit. We'll wind up using a bowl.
So
It's just the soil.
right. Yeah, pretty place soil where we're at.
Part of my body ends up in front of it, though. That's part of the problem. So the secretary hand here. He has many forms. Layout has many forms.
A little bit bigger, a little bit.
So that's a rough version of the secretary. Yeah, exactly. Secretary is very interesting. We'll point out a couple here. This is a unit, also very common to the factory,
Got different parts of
So is this white-tailed deer or one of the other western varieties?
I can't tell you.
Okay.
Supplied the deer.
What's that? Was that a question?
Was it a white-tail
They're all
or?
whitetail.
Okay.
That red deer, what I thought was the red deer was actually 5 whitetail deer. So I defrosted the bundle, they just all kept coming apart, you know, and I'm like, this keeps growing. But now I think the red deer is in another bundle. I'm not sure though. And some of the whitetail, they're like, they have redder flesh than others, oddly enough. I don't know, that's some variation in there. Like you have red hair, I have blonde hair kind of thing, you know?
Yeah.
so it ends up looking a bit like.
I'd like to ask the scrapers, is it coming off differently than from the goat?
It's coming out that same, huh?
Is it coming out easier or harder? Or
Feels what the same way. Yeah, maybe a little easier.
I tend to write with about a 30 to 45 degree. I can vary from hand. But go with a 45 degree about. There are a lot of letters that are very much different. U, N, M, W, D. They're effectively the same thing.
Yeah, real easy.
Like the U is sort of there, and the B
Were
is
they
kind
also
of
cleaned
there,
differently?
and W is that.
Sorry?
They were also cleaned differently.
Yeah, well, no, whenever you dress a deer, you hang it up on a rack. You cut the right here, slice around the forearms, slice around the hindquarters, lower limbs, and you do a slice down the middle or around the neck and then down the middle and just peel it off like a banana.
Showing it everyone.
Nice for it. Yeah. And it all comes off. Sometimes it does come off with when you flip it over, you see some of the meat still on it. That would be like cracklings if you were using a pig. So you still got some of that on there. Sometimes people take a pip, make a pip, and then attach it to an ATV and drive it and just peel it right off.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Well, it's like hay skinning a rabbit.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you do that.
Yep.
Pull it all off. Okay. Somebody was telling me the other day they tried to make a parchment out of a rabbit. Didn't have success.
I got 4 waiting for me at home.
You gonna make parchment from them?
Don't try.
What's
And then immediately
different about them that makes them?
They're a lot smaller.
Are we siphoning off something else, you think?
No, that's the iron.
It is the iron? Okay. I don't know if we're gonna back siphon it.
Iron in the water, isn't it?
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh God, yeah.
Okay.
The I camp with the Bear and they have Rivenstar in our shower stalls. I'm using the same. They actually had to change the fittings this year because they were covered in rust and choked with rust.
Yep.
The utility sinks are brownish red.
Yeah, we do. We've got a 4-stage filter in camp, designed just for that.
Yeah. So do we. It's not good enough.
Well, it depends on what filters you install.
Yeah.
We've had really good luck. We use 2 of the large, the folded ones. Why do I lose words? Too many years in a tannery.
I've been friends with Iron Lance for years. The people in it that live in Texas.
Yeah.
I know Iron Lance. Iron Lance this, Iron Lance that. I'm trying to talk to the king the other day, 2 days ago. I went to go do it.
Brain fart.
The ones with the anvils. It's like, oh my god.
Head out for about half an hour.
Yeah.
One or two things I want to check on.
Sure. It's got all day.
Well, if these are going to be ready at some point in this term, I want to be here to help you do that. But if I'm,
We've still got what, 3 now?
yes, the ladies are taking care of this stuff right now. I'm just sitting around. Maybe I can just get a few things done.
Okay, yeah, we got 3 more to go.
Yeah. Patty masses on.
So y'all get. Go ahead.
As you're unthawing, you know, the more you can get off the back of the skin, easier the whole process goes. So as I said, it's really important to flesh your skin well.
Yeah, look here. Because it's all, well, it's
Yeah.
super fatty, meaty underneath.
We got little pockets of that. I tried to get some of that off prior to going on the line whenever I stored it. You freeze it, roll it up. I didn't get all of it off. 'Cause I didn't know what I know now. Now that I know what I know now, I'll process that out of that prior to it going into a line bath to keep the line blast out.
Wanna try? Yeah, sure.
There you go. My last husband.
So yeah, so the vertical, the slanted posts, when you're using those, it's usually because you don't have another person to work with you. So you're using your hip as an anchor, you lock the skin in, and then you can just work the skin down the rail.
Oh, I see.
When I'm by myself, I just hang it over and I use a water hose, a jet, and it just comes right off.
Yeah.
So that's why I haven't veered away. Another reason why I haven't veered away to the slanted post. But yeah, he's absolutely right. If you want to do it and experience the period method of doing things, you need, like, you really want to do it, you need a stump, a half stump, and a long piece of wood that's stumped, and you know, put your belly up against it and do the whole pressing down and things. And usually your body is the clamp that holds it onto the wood.
And worst case scenario, if you can't find a stump or a piece of board like that, you take a 33-gallon barrel, like the fighters are making their armor out of, and just basically do the same rig that he's got right here, but it'll give you that nice round to work from and a great surface area. Because that's what I've got it.
Okay. Sure. Yes, ma'am. Tell me what you need.
Smell kind of reminds me of fish for some reason.
Exactly. It smells like, yes, 3-day-old fish, 2-day-old fish. And people are really,
Yeah.
I've had a lot of remarks about, wow, this really doesn't smell that bad. I said, because you basically made ceviche out of it, you know? Pretty much.
No, it reminds me of, you know, before I joined the SCA, my vacation was the beach in North Carolina every year.
Okay.
And since I did some deep water fishing, mostly just, you know, bodyboarding and hanging out. But the whole place smells like this.
Yep.
Because fish wash up.
I used to work on a shrimp boat when I was between 14 and joined the Navy at 19. And then when I got out of the Navy, I went from a shrimp boat to a submarine, back to a shrimp boat when I was in college. So it's kind of a leap, right?
Yeah.
So That just reminds me of the smell of that. It reminds me of money.
Yeah, for me, it's morning. Morning.
Watching.
Come on in.
You, I love work. I could sit and watch it all day.
Well, come on.
Come on in. Because this will be going all day.
Yeah, right.
I know. I just read about it. I caught up on all my independence.
Good, good.
Oh, I love the apron.
I'm that kind of guy.
That looks like goats.
Deer.
Oh,
We did goats earlier.
I'm a spinner. It was like that fiber looks familiar.
You want some?
Oh, the one laying on the ground is goat.
No, no deer. Deer, no, thank you. I think it's not good.